Hello you guys, in this video I'm going to teach you how to say where is your house in Khmer. As you can see the circle is the easy phrase that I'm going to say, and I want you guys to remember because it's the easy one, It's kind of like casual Khmer speaking. It's casual word, so it's not that rude or anything, it's just everyday use. Okay. ផ្ទះអ្នកនៅណាផ្ទះអ្នកនៅណាផ្ទះ is mean house, but we talk it fast, we say it ផ្ទះអ្នកនៅណាផ្ទះ is also mean slab. Okay, let's move on to the next question, but the same meaning. ផ្ទះអ្នកនៅឯណាផ្ទះអ្នកនៅឯណា Okay. ផ្ទះអ្នកនៅកន្លែងណាផ្ទះអ្នកនៅកន្លែងណាផ្ទះអ្នកនៅម្ដុំណាផ្ទះអ្នកនៅម្ដុំណាផ្ទះអ្នកនៅទីណាផ្ទះអ្នកនៅទីណាផ្ទះអ្នកនៅទីណា